such a gloomy day today. I mean, I like gloomy days, so when I'm indoors, but if I'm outdoors, not so much. I want to make the most of today, basically just romanticize this gloomy weather and not just laze around. Just a few minutes of meditation, let it be 10 minutes or 5 minutes, helps me center myself and set positive intentions for the rest of the day. Of course, I don't light candles like every single morning, but on days like these when the weather's gloomy or you are basically just feeling like staying in bed the entire day, things like these just spice things up and you just feel a lot more productive, or you want to get a lot more productive during your day instead of just staying in bed all morning or all day long. Stretching is another way that keeps me pumped up for the day, especially those mornings when I do not actually want to go to the gym. Stretching just makes such a difference. It just makes me feel a lot more flexible. It is time for my morning skincare routine. I did skip my cleanser today since my skin feels a little bit on the drier side, and I like to romanticize my skincare on such a gloomy day by listening to skincare affirmations. This is literally the first video when you type skincare affirmations on YouTube, and I pretty much really enjoy this. On days when I do not have the time to actually listen to skincare affirmations, I just recite it in my mind, something like my skin is so beautiful, I have the most glowiest skin, I haven't really gotten any pimples for the last 2 months, so that is something that I'm super happy about. So if you have any skin concerns, just try it out for yourself and see how it works for you. Anyway, it's time to listen to this and finish my skincare routine.
My skin always heals so beautifully. Feels so much.
I'm done with my skincare and it feels so good. It is time to focus on my to-do list for now. This just helps me stay organized and not miss out on important things that I have to get done with. I also do have a brand collab video that I have to submit, so I'm going to focus on that before I do anything else. Look at what arrived at my doorstep. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's unbox. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. It feels so surreal to be holding this right now. I still remember the day I started. I think I'm going to make a whole different video on that. I'm so grateful to have you guys here with me. Also, I do have to figure out where I'm going to put this up, since I'm not a person who really likes to hang things on my walls. I prefer my walls to look a lot more simple. So let's see. So me and my sister are just getting ready to go to the mall. I have been wanting to buy a few things for my birthday, so let's get going. That's our outfit. We are matching. so good. I love it. I'm going to go in with this one. Super excited. He really liked this, but they do not have it, so it's a bummer. Yeah, perfect. So much. I really like this one, but they do not have it in stock, so maybe next time. Do you want to see?
You have a nice.
Thank you. So we wanted to go at this restaurant called Foil, but unfortunately they only serve bakery stuff, and we wanted to have like proper lunch since we are super hungry. We are at this restaurant called Julius. I haven't been here before and I'm super excited to try this place out. It has a list of many stuff, like many things. What am I saying? It's basically European cuisine, and we did order shepherd's pie, which I'm super excited to try. And also, what else did we order? Barbecue chicken wings. Oh yeah, barbecue chicken wings. So let's hope for the best. I'm super excited because I'm super hungry. Are you hungry? So what are you laughing? This is so good. You should really try this. Dress is so cute. I'm obsessed. I'm definitely getting this one. I think I really like this. Definitely getting the shorts as well as the top. I just received my Tira bottle and I'm super intrigued with this freebie that I received. It's the L'Occitane Anti-Aging Trio and I'm super excited to try this out. It does have a serum, a moisturizer and a face oil. I did double cleanse my skin, so let's start with skincare. Before I go in with those freebies, I'm going to go in with the Anova's Hot Leaf toner pads. I feel like these are such great toner pads. I love the texture on this. It's super soft. It just makes my skin feel so much more smoother and so hydrated. I'm going to keep this on for around 5 minutes. I would normally keep this on for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but I am super tired and super sleepy today. So I'm going to try and wind down super quick. It's been around 5 minutes, so I'm going to take this off and I like to gently swipe this all across my forehead, my neck, my nose. with the serum. It feels a little oily, so I'm not sure if oily skin types would actually enjoy this. I feel like dry skin people might really enjoy this. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go in with an oil first and then moisturizer because it's a trio set. And it's also mentioned here that the second step is the face oil, which I'm quite unsure about, but I think I'm just going to go according to this. Last step is the face cream. Again, this does have that same scent to it like the serum does. It's super moisturizing. I feel like this is literally meant for dry skin types and not oily skin people. I'm gonna finish off with the Laneige mask. I love the way my skin feels right now. It feels super nourished and so moisturized. It's literally so soft. I did do a little birthday shopping today since my birthday is right around the corner. So let me show you what all I got. First up, let's talk about Dior. I got like two lovely products from this brand. First one is J'adore hair perfume. So basically I went to the store in search of the Miss Dior hair perfume, but unfortunately I somehow did not like the scent on that. The scent was good, but it was super mild. Like it vanished in 5 seconds, and that was such a disappointment, to be honest. This on the other hand lasted way longer, and that's the main reason I picked this one up. The scent notes on this is incredible, you guys. Like, this smells absolutely divine. It smells so freaking good. It has this beautiful blend of floral and fruity notes, and I love this bottle and I'm absolutely in love with this scent. The second product that I got is the Miss Dior blush. I have been wanting this for such a long time, and I thought this would be like the perfect occasion to actually get this. This is what it looks like. I did go to L'Occitane, and the first thing that I had to pick up is their almond body oil. This has been on my list for a very long time, so again I had to get this. I've heard such great reviews on this, and this smells so good. It has that fresh almond note to it, and that is something that I truly enjoy about almond scents. If you guys do not like almond scents, you wouldn't like this, but if you enjoy almond notes, you are so going to enjoy this scent. It also does come in this glass bottle, so you need to be super careful while using it. I also picked their rose body wash. This one smells like roses. Yeah, it smells so good, and I'm super excited to try this one out as well. My sister and I made a quick stop to H&M, and you guys know that whenever girls enter H&M, it's like impossible to come out empty-handed, especially when the sale is on. Like, that's my weak spot, and I wish I could like just walk out of on sales and all of that, but somehow I cannot. I did shop a few outfits that I showed you guys before, and I also did get a few accessories. So I got this super cute heart necklace. I find this so pretty and so cute. I cannot wait to wear this, although I do hope that this does not really give me any rash since I'm allergic to artificial jewelries. Not all, but a few. And lastly, I got these beautiful earrings. I feel like H&M's latest collection is so good. Like, they have so much variety and I'm loving it. So I like to wind down with my cup of tea and my book, or probably journal. Today I think I'm going to stick to reading my book and finishing 20 pages tonight before I sleep off. This helps me calm my mind and ease off to sleep. So I'm going to do that and probably call it a night. Thank you for spending the day with me. I will see you next week. Bye. Love you.